Hello and welcome to an exciting video in which we will explore scientific myths and facts. 1. The myth of tongue taste perception. The idea that different areas of the tongue perceive specific flavors is the result of an incorrect study done in the early 20th century. However, subsequent research has shown that taste buds are located all over the tongue, and each of them can detect flavors. For example, sweet taste can usually be perceived at the tip of the tongue, salty tastes at the sides of the tongue, and sour tastes on the sides of the tongue. 2. The spider swallowing myth. This myth stems from an article written by a computer science graduate in 1993. The article claimed that spiders enter people's mouths while they sleep and that several spiders are swallowed per year. However, this claim is not based on any evidence or scientific basis. Spiders are not large enough to prevent people from breathing, and they do not usually enter people's mouths. 3. The myth of nucleus accumulation. This myth claims that nuclei can accumulate in the human body and cause various health problems. However, the digestive system digests and excretes the kernels, so it is not possible for them to accumulate in the body. Nuts usually pass naturally through the digestive tract. 4. The myth of moonlight madness. The belief that moonlight makes people crazy or affects them has been seen in many cultures throughout history. However, there is no scientifically proven effect. Moonlight can affect sleep quality at low light levels, but it does not have serious effects such as insanity. 5. The myth of water rotation. This myth is associated with a phenomenon known as the Coriolis effect. However, the Coriolis effect is related to the rotation of large-scale air masses and bodies of water on a global scale. For small-scale structures such as sinks, this effect is very weak, so the direction of water rotation depends on the shape of the sink, the way the water enters, and other factors. 6. The myth of swimming and eating. Swimming immediately after eating does not increase the risk of cramping. The body directs blood to the digestive tract to intensify digestion. However, the risk of cramping is always there, either after or before a meal. 7. The myth of eye damage. Looking at the sun can indeed damage the eyes, but short-term glances usually do not cause permanent damage. However, looking at the sun for long periods of time can lead to exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays, exposing the surface of the eye to burns and even retinal damage. 8. The myth of learning style. The concept of learning styles claims that people learn in different ways. However, scientific research does not support this claim. Learning is a complex process and varies from person to person. Different learning styles can be effective for everyone, but the claim that there are individual learning styles is not scientifically supported. 9. The myth of brain cell regeneration. Contrary to popular belief, brain cells can regenerate. This process is called neurogenesis and can continue throughout life, especially in certain brain regions such as the hippocampus. Factors such as exercise, sleep, and mental stimulation can promote the process of neurogenesis. 10. Myth of snakes eating prey. This myth claims that snakes swallow their prey down to devour it. However, snakes digest their prey by swallowing it whole. Snakes swallow their prey using their ability to open and flex their jaws. Snakes generally prefer not to move before they have completely digested their prey. 11. The myth of brain utilization. This myth is the widespread belief that humans only use a small part of their brain. However, this claim is scientifically false. Modern neurology and neuroscience show that most of the brain is active and different brain regions play a role in different tasks. 12. The myth of the golden fish's memory span. This myth claims that goldfish have a very short-term memory. However, research shows that goldfish actually have a longer memory. Goldfish can use long-term memory for eating, danger detection, and learning. 13. The myth of the harm of swallowing gum at night. This myth claims that gum swallowed at night sticks to the stomach and stays there for years. However, the digestive system processes and eliminates the gum like any other food. The gum passes naturally through the digestive system and is usually eliminated within a few days. 14. The legend of the fall of sleeping birds. This myth claims that some people fall while sleeping. However, birds keep certain parts of the brain active while sleeping, and this prevents them from falling asleep. Birds usually have many adaptations to stay awake during flight and maintain their balance during sleep. 15. The myth that garlic cures toothache. Garlic is known to have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, but it may not be effective enough to cure toothache immediately. For a serious problem like a toothache, it is best to consult a dentist. Garlic can relieve toothache in some cases, but it is not a permanent solution. Thank you for watching this video where we explore scientific myths and facts. Don't forget to support if you like it. Knowledge and truth are always our best guide. Let's continue to take steps towards a brighter future by holding on to scientific facts in a world full of myths. We wish you days full of innovative ideas and curiosity. See you in the next video.